Okay, let's talk about something that seems super subtle but is actually a massive deal. We're going to get into the difference between needing something and truly desiring it. And trust me, understanding this one little shift can literally change everything for you.
I mean, have you ever been there? That job you just had to land, or that person you felt like you couldn't live without. You want it so, so badly, but it's like the more you grasp for it, the faster it seems to slip away. It's beyond frustrating, and it happens to all of us.
And it turns out this isn't just some random feeling. It's a real phenomenon, and you see it play out so clearly in the world of sports. I'm talking about those high-stakes moments where the line between an amazing performance and just choking under pressure is paper thin.
So, this brings us to what we can call the pressure paradox. It's this weird, kind of upside down idea where the more you feel like you have to succeed, the more you accidentally set yourself up to fail.
This quote just nails it, doesn't it? The second an athlete goes from wanting to win to needing to win, something inside just flips. All of a sudden, their body gets tense, their instincts get foggy, and they start playing horribly. It's like they're creating the very thing they were terrified of.
And look, this isn't just for pro athletes. This exact same thing happens inside our own heads every single day. We have this little sparring match with our fears, our anxieties, desperately trying to wrestle our way to a good outcome.
So what exactly is this feeling of need? Let's really break it down. What's the mental recipe, the formula that cooks up this energy of desperation? At its heart, need is basically an if-then statement built on fear. If I don't get this promotion, then I'm a total failure. If this person leaves me, then I'll be alone forever. See? There's always a threat, a consequence, tacked on to the end. And thinking this way has real effects you can actually feel. Your shoulders get tense, your jaw clenches. Your mind isn't even focused on what you want anymore. It's totally obsessed with avoiding the bad thing. You're just pushing away. And the irony is, when you're so focused on what you don't want, your whole energy starts to vibrate at that exact frequency, basically inviting more of it in.
So, yeah, the bottom line is this. The state of need is just a state of constant tension and resistance. It's a fight, and you can't really create anything amazing from a place of fighting.
Okay, so if need is the problem, what's the solution? Well, it's about shifting our whole vibe, moving away from that desperate energy and into the clean, powerful, and honestly, much more fun energy of pure desire. And just look at how simple and clean this is. Desire isn't some complicated formula. It's one thought, a complete thought. Man, I would really, really love for this to happen. Period. Full stop. That's the end of the sentence. There's no or else. And oh my gosh, this feels completely different in your body. You're relaxed. You're focused on how good it would feel to have what you want, what the source material calls the yum-yum factor. It's an energy of allowing, of letting in, not of resisting. And it pulls you right here into the now. So, unlike the constant struggle of need, pure desire is all about relaxation and allowing. You're not bracing for impact. You're opening your arms to receive. Okay, this is the big aha moment. Just look at them next to each other. It makes everything so clear. On one side, you've got need, that two-part formula that's totally built on fear. And on the other, desire, just a single pure statement built on joy. Can you literally feel the difference? It's like one is a contract you sign with fear, and the other is an invitation you send to joy. All right, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds great, but how do I actually do this? How do I make that shift when I'm feeling stressed and the pressure is on? Well, let's get super practical. So you're in that moment, right? Your brain is screaming about all the things that could go wrong. You can feel that tension creeping up your neck. What's your first move? Here is a simple, incredibly powerful little exercise. Step 1, just stop for 3 seconds. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Take a breath. That tiny pause creates space. Step 2, ask yourself a straight-up question. Am I running that need formula right now? Just noticing it is half the work. And finally, step 3, displace it. Don't fight it, replace it. Intentionally call up that good feeling, that yum-yum factor of what you really truly want. And that last part is so, so crucial. Trying to fight a thought is like someone telling you, whatever you do, don't think about a purple koala. What's the first thing you think about? A purple koala. You just give it more power. The goal isn't to fight the fear, it's to displace it. You fill up your awareness with the feeling of your desire until there's just no room left for anything else.
Okay, let's wrap up with a really beautiful reframe. An idea that could completely change how you look at your own dreams and that internal struggle we all have. Seriously, just sit with that for a second. Let it sink in. This is a huge idea. What if having a desire isn't just a random wish? What if the fact that you can even conceive of it is proof that it's meant for you, that it's not just possible but inevitable? The desire is the signal.
And if that's true, it flips the whole idea of struggle on its head. That mental sparring match, the doubt, the fear, it's not a sign you're on the wrong path. It's actually part of the journey. It helps you get crystal clear on what you want. And weirdly enough, it can actually speed up the whole process. It's not a bug, it's a feature.
So, I want to leave you with this question. Just for today, forget about what you think you need. Forget about what you're afraid might happen. If you strip all that away, what's one pure desire that you can just choose to relax into and feel the yum of? Right here, right now.